S&P 500 and NASDAQ are showing a lot more weakness after the FOMC meeting. I'm bearish. Let me show you what my plan on the stock market this week is. Right, let's have a look at the NASDAQ first because it is looking quite bearish. Current price action are at a very significant support around the 14,470 area. This is major. If this break, we could see it drop down to here because this, when it went up a straight line. When it go down, it will likely to do a straight line drop as well. So keep an eye on that. Price is very much looking like back in 2021, end of 21. You see price action through here. Just draw that. Right here, we had a range condition. And then when it breaks support, it tang. So we could see something like that. It's a bit big, the drawing. So keep an eye on that. We may have a bounce, but probably weak. If it drop below here, then yes, I will be looking to be a seller of NASDAQ at least until around this 13,000 area. But you know, obviously in between, I'll take some profit first and managing accordingly. Looking at the S&P 500, also we are having a clear downtrend now. So previous multiple low has been broken in this area. So let's see if I see smaller time frame around this area having a rejection, I might look to be a seller already. So keep an eye on that on S&P 500, but NASDAQ might be an easier option. Dow Jones also showing weakness. The trend line's broken. We have a daily downtrend. So could we have a small pullback back to this 20 EMA area around the 13,500? Then look to be a seller. So that's my plan. European indices also showing weakness as well, but we do have some CPI data, the inflation data, I believe is on Thursday or Wednesday. Let me have a quick look on that. I will come back to you and put that on the notes. But yeah, I think there is some news on that. But however, price action, looking at it, if this channel break, then yes, could be major. We could have more room to the downside on DAX, and also very, very similar on the French CAC as well. We have a horizontal support around the 7,100. So basically around this area, if I see a clean break, then yes, I'll look to use a smaller time frame to get in, because when it drop, let's have a look at an example. When it drop, it can be quite aggressive drop. It's not, not easy to catch. If you trade a daily bar, might be quite difficult. So I will be using smaller time frame, daily pivot to get in on selling the indices. So main plan is bearish, German DAX and the CAC is on my list. S&P 500, NASDAQ also on my list to short. If you do have any question, drop me a comment. If you'd like to know my Forex plan, make sure you check out my channel. Thank you very much for watching.